Hello there again. This is Whit Drake with the Drake Law Firm in Birmingham. I and my firm, we only handle personal injury and wrongful death cases, and we get a lot of emails from viewers of our website videos, and also people that follow our channel on YouTube. And we always get a bunch of questions where they'll send an email in. And so what we're trying to do with this format is try to answer some of those questions and help the general public with regard to a potential personal injury case. And I got an email here from a viewer, it's a lady actually, of course we don't give out names, and she basically wants to know what is the meaning or purpose of uninsured motorist coverage, also sometimes called underinsured coverage. Basically, Alabama law requires all insurance policies in the state of Alabama to have underinsured/uninsured coverage. This coverage protects you when you're either A, hit by a driver who has no insurance, or B, hit by a driver who doesn't have enough insurance. That's why the legislature, back I believe it was the 80s, enacted a law that says every policy must have that coverage in there. And speaking from my standpoint, on my insurance policy, my uninsured or underinsured coverage is more important to me than my liability coverage. I'm not really worried about me hitting somebody. I'm worried more about someone hitting me or my family and not having enough insurance coverage. So every policy is supposed to have it. Now, they do have the exception to that, of course. If you sign a written rejection, when you're there in your agent's office in your small town, Coleman, Tuscaloosa, Gadsden, Birmingham, Huntsville, Dothan, wherever, you can reject uninsured coverage, but you have to specifically sign for it with this long disclaimer stating that you know it's required and you're still disclaiming it. You say, I'm rejecting it, I don't want it. I would encourage you not to do that, because on many occasions, clients that we represent are hit by people who either A, don't have any insurance coverage, or B, they don't have enough. So uninsured or underinsured, they sometimes call it, is very valuable. Do not disclaim it. Do not reject it. You'll see why, and you probably have stories from friends of yours who get hit by drivers who don't have insurance. So it's very important coverage. It doesn't really cost that much, and it's required by Alabama law unless you specifically and in writing reject it.